breezy today.
Yeah, and it has been windy. We had a peak gust of 38 miles an hour so far at the airport, but many of us gusting between 35 and almost at 40 miles an hour. So it has been windy. It's going to be windy for the rest of the evening, but tomorrow we will see those winds back off a little bit. So if it was a little pesky for you today, you definitely will have better luck tomorrow. Out there right now, we are at 58 degrees. You can see the east winds there, 22 miles an hour, gusting to 31. Just last hour we had a gust to 37, so it's backed off a little bit, but it's still very, very blustery out. Here's a look at the wind gusts across the metro area, and you can see current gusts anywhere from 25 to 30 miles an hour back to the gorge. So it's just this east wind funneling through the gorge. Thanks to high pressure that's built in to warm us up, to bring us some of that sunshine. We have had to battle a few high clouds, but it's really been a very nice day. You drop farther south and temperatures have been even warmer in the low to mid 60s down towards Salem and Albany, down towards Corvallis, up along the coast. We've been in the mid to upper 50s. Lows tonight will be down into the middle and upper 40s. Again, blustery this evening. Skies will be partly cloudy, and then east of the Cascades, it'll be down into the 20s and 30s. Here's what it looks like for your Saturday. So one more dry day. Make sure you get out and enjoy it, because Sunday the rain returns. We're going to be tracking showers, perhaps even some thunderstorms as we head towards the early part of next week. So some big changes moving in. Here's the breakdown. 7 a.m. in the morning, 47. It'll be a little cloudy to start off with, and we'll be seeing the sunshine in and out of the clouds for a lot of the day tomorrow, but we'll still try to make it to the low 60s for highs, and we'll stay dry. By tomorrow night, though, we will start to see rain chances move in. In fact, you can see some of that moisture is starting to spread in down to the south here, back down towards Eugene and along southern portions of I-5 there. But most of this very light, and a lot of it not even hitting the ground because it's just evaporating before it gets there. So just a few sprinkles down south. Most of that will stay down south and fizzle out as the sun goes down. We do have this big system that's churning here, so that's going to bring in the changes as we head into the weekend. I'll show it to you here. So pay attention to how it all pans out as we head through the midnight hour tonight. We stay dry. A few spotty showers will likely develop along the coast. We wake up tomorrow morning, we'll have that cloud cover around. Meanwhile, Cascades and east, beautiful sunshine, and we have less wind tomorrow. So a little more cloudy, but we stay dry, still mild with the temperatures, and then by the time we wrap things up tomorrow night, here comes the moisture midnight, and we could be talking rain moving into the metro area by midnight tomorrow night. Just a little bit of light rain, though, and then we get into Sunday, and that's when the real stuff moves in. And that'll move in for the second half of the day. So if you get up really early Sunday morning, you can probably beat the rain, but going into the afternoon, we're going to have scattered showers developing. Some of these could be on the intense side at times, and so we could be looking at some downpours. And then Monday, perhaps even some thunderstorms around here. So your forecast for the weekend, we'll start with Saturday, low to mid 60s, a little cloudier, but still mild, and less wind. So that'll make it really nice tomorrow. Mid to upper 50s for the coast with rain chances there. Central and eastern Oregon is back to the 50s and 60s. Sunday, the rain arrives, and we're talking rain even for the Cascades right around 6,500 feet. But by Sunday night going into Monday, it lowers down to about 4,000 feet, which will mean more snow for our Cascades and for our ski resorts as we head into the early part of next week. Monday looks pretty wet, and look at the chill. Temperatures go back down to the low to mid 50s, and it'll stay a little unsettled as we head through much of the early part of next week. So here's your 7-day forecast. Spring arrives tomorrow night, right around 9:30 our time. Clouds increase, rain chances by midnight. Sunday showers likely, still mild with the temperatures, but Monday they do take a dip. Mid 50s, low to mid 50s going into next week, and we're talking shower chances on and off for a lot of next week, and you see the temperatures just cool off there. If you are planning, we were talking about Mount Hood Meadows and the spring passes and the spring skiing up there. Looks like another really good snow early next week. Snow levels down to 3,500 feet. Maybe 6 to maybe even 12 inches of snow again.
Okay.
So this weekend a little iffy, but it looks really good for early next week.
Well, not on the mountain, the lesson being enjoyed today and tomorrow.
Yes, outside of the mountain. Well, the mountain's going to be beautiful too, but yes, but yeah, get out and enjoy it. It's going to be great.